Hello and welcome. Today we're going to explore 22 incredibly useful English verbs. You'll not only learn their meanings, but also how native speakers use them in real-life situations. Let's begin. Become, became, become. Become means to start being something new. It often describes a change in state or identity. For example, after years of hard work, she became the CEO of the company. She wasn't the CEO before, but after effort and time, she became one. That's a clear transformation. Begin, began, begun. Begin is a more formal way to say start. Here's how we use it. He began learning English when he was 10. It's the point where the action started, and it's often used in storytelling or formal speech. Start. Start is used in everyday conversation and means the same as begin, but it's more casual. For example, let's start the meeting now. It signals the very first action, whether it's a task, a conversation, or even an engine. Continue. To continue means to keep doing something without stopping. Like this. Even after failing twice, she continued trying. This shows persistence. She didn't give up. Go on, went on, gone on. Similar to continue, go on means to keep happening or to keep doing something. For instance, the teacher went on talking for another hour. We often use go on when someone does something longer than expected. Stop. To stop means to end an action. For example, he stopped smoking last year. He used to smoke, but now the action has ended. End. End can be used as a verb and a noun. As a verb, it means to bring something to a close. Like this. The concert ended at midnight. The experience or event is complete. It's over. Finish. Finish also means to complete something, but it's more about tasks. Here's an example. I finally finished my essay. You worked on something, and now it's done. Last. This verb describes how long something continues. For example, the movie lasted 2.5 hours. It tells us the duration of time. Accomplish. Accomplish means to successfully complete something, especially something challenging. Like this. They accomplished their goal of climbing Mount Everest. It's more than just finishing, it's achieving something great. Prepare. To prepare is to get ready for something. Example. She prepared dinner before the guests arrived. She took time and effort to make sure everything was ready. Postpone. To postpone means to delay something to a later time. For example, we postponed the meeting until next week. It was planned for now, but we moved it forward. Put off. This is a phrasal verb with the same meaning as postpone, but more informal. Example. He keeps putting off going to the dentist. He delays it again and again, maybe because he doesn't want to go. Divide. To divide means to separate something into parts, like this. Let's divide the cake into 6 equal pieces. It's about making sections or groups. Consist of. This phrase is used to describe the contents of something. For example, the team consists of designers, developers, and testers. It tells us what parts make up the whole. Include. To include means to make something part of a group or list. Example, the price includes dinner and drinks, so when you pay, those things are part of the deal. Exclude. To exclude means to leave something or someone out. Like this, children under 5 are excluded from the event. They're not allowed or not considered part of it. Incorporate. To incorporate means to add something into a whole so that it works well together. Example, you should incorporate more vegetables into your diet. It means to combine in a meaningful way. Split, split, split. Split means to divide into 2 or more parts, especially in equal or clear sections. Example, we split the bill evenly. Each person pays their fair share. Contain. To contain means to hold something inside. Like this. This box contains old photographs. Everything is inside the box. Separate. To separate is to move things apart or keep them apart. Example, they separated the students into 2 groups. Now they're in different places or categories. Assemble. To assemble means to put parts together to make something whole. Like this. He assembled the desk using only a screwdriver. All the small pieces became one final product. Final story, all words in one context. Let's wrap up with a story that includes all the words from today. Story, the big project. Last year, we began working on a new product. We started with just an idea, but we were determined to accomplish something great. At first, the team consisted of only 4 people, but later we included 2 more designers and incorporated feedback from early users. We carefully prepared everything, from the design to the code. Sometimes we had to postpone meetings or put off some tasks, but we never gave up. We continued building, even when it got hard. Eventually, we assembled the final version. We divided responsibilities clearly, separated the test environment from production, and split tasks evenly. The final product contained amazing features, and it lasted through all the tests. After a long journey, we finished it. The project ended with a big celebration. Everyone was proud because we became a stronger team.